What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can set up a lead generation funnel with Clickfunnels. So in the previous video I showed you how you can do that with Facebook ads, and in this video we're going to be using Clickfunnels and another software called Zapier, and how you can basically get an email every single time someone fills out your lead generation funnel. What the difference is with Clickfunnels as opposed to Facebook ads is that you can basically create your own landing page. You can customize all the elements, as opposed to Facebook ads where it's basically just a simple lead form where if they click on the advertisement they get like a pop-up within Facebook, they fill out the details, and then that gets sent over to you, or within Facebook, Facebook ads, business.facebook.com, you can see who's filled out the form. What you can also do with Facebook ads is obviously connect it to Zapier, so you get an email every single time someone fills out your form, and that is something that we are going to do today as well. So without further ado, let's hop into it. So first thing you need to do, guys, I'm just going to do this from scratch. I'm going to do it live, so you can see every step of the way. Create a new funnel, collect emails, that is fine. What should we call it? Let's just call it lead generation funnel. Select funnel group, add that to Brandpreneur, build the funnel. And for this funnel we'll use the what should we use as an example? We'll do real estate. Okay, let me just get rid of the thank you page for now. We'll just start with the normal opt-in page. Let's see, I usually start from scratch, so I start with like a blank funnel, but just for the sake of this video we'll just see what else is available. I like that one, just plain simple. I like the white one as well. What shall we do? In fact, let's just go with one of those simple ones. Select template. Okay, like the URL, we will edit that later on. Let's just start with the page itself. Edit page. Okay, the first thing I always do is I go to settings and then general, and then I get rid of the affiliate badge. I always think it's very like unprofessional if you see like the affiliate badge. So when you click on the page it says Clickfunnels here. I hate it when I see it on other pages, and I think you just lose all authority if you have it. So I always get rid of it right away. Okay, second thing we can do is we can change the background. So if we're going to do real estate, in fact let's do something else. Let's not do real estate. Let's do, what should we do, guys? Let's do car dealerships. I've never created a funnel for car dealers yet. So google.com. Did I yes, I have just googled Google. Let's just type in car dealership, see what kind of images we get. Yes, officially you need to have like copyright free images. You can get into trouble if you're going to use regular Google images, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to quickly go through it. That one looks okay. Let me just make sure that we are on the largest of images. There we go. Okay, now I need to find a nice looking image. That one looks good, without any company logos. That one looks okay. That's a good one as well. Let's just stick with one of these two for now. Let's see which one looks nicer. I like that. I like that it's very symmetrical. You can tell that this is in the US. Obviously, the type of cars and the palm trees. So if we're going to be running something in the UK, maybe something like this would be better. Let me just see the size of the image. Is it big enough? Is the quality high enough? Okay, let's just quickly see what this looks like. Okay, not too happy with the quality really. You can tell that it's the image itself is a bit too small for this. Let's see what else there is. Is there a way to see if there's like a way to just get like the largest of large images? In fact, let's just see the size of this one. 1900 by 1275. That should be big enough. Settings, background image, upload. There we go, that looks better. What I usually do, just a quick tip, is I also check the size of the image. So this image is 355 KB, which is fine. If it's over 2 megabytes, I always go to compressedjpeg.com and then compress it to make the size, so not the size as in height and width, but make the size of the file smaller so the screen loads faster. Okay, so basically what I do here is ask a question. Ask a question that involves a pain and a pleasure. For example, do you want to know how to generate leads for your car dealership, without messing about with Google Ads or something like that, Add a question here that involves, like I said, a pleasure. So do you want to earn thousands a month? And then without the pain, as you can see here, without effort. So the one simple trick to double your conversions without effort, they've involved, this involves a pleasure, double your conversions, and then the pain is without the effort part. So what we'll do is we can add something like, what should we do? Do you want more leads for your car dealership without spending thousands on Auto Trader? Okay, obviously, you will need to put a bit more thought into this. Let's see if we can add what's going on. See if we can add that bold. So more leads for your car now without spending thousands on Auto Trader. Okay, that's fine. Let's add a sub headline. Sign up now for a free consultation. Okay, then what we need to do is enter the name and email address, and then this will be the submit button. Schedule a free consultation today. Okay, that's fine. Now, officially, if you're going to be running Facebook ads, you do need, the special footer, the footer that says that Facebook isn't responsible for anything you do. Let me see if I've got that saved. It could possibly be this one. Let me see. Is it? Yes, it is. Okay, so just get rid of lifestyle design mastery, and then, in fact, let's just copy this. Add a new row, element, paragraph, paste it, and then remove this. Move it down to the bottom. There we go. Another thing that is very important is to make sure that if you do create a landing page, that it's also optimized for mobile. So let me just see what this looks like. You can't really see the image, which is a bit unfortunate. So what we could do is have a different background, or have a different background for just for mobile, and then only have the background shown on desktop. What we can do for this ad is only show it on desktop. Again, this is something that you will need to split test. Split test which gets you the most qualified leads. Is that through mobile or through desktop? I've noticed that especially for stuff like this, desktop works better for me. So that is why we are keeping this on desktop, and we're not going to optimize for mobile. Let me just quickly change the color of this text to white. Not that it matters, just for the aesthetics. Okay, let me just see what this looks like. Okay, that's fine. Then we can set an action. So if they fill out this, I'm going to just make sure that these are required. I think they are. Okay, so the name is not required. I want that to be required. And then edit action. If you click on this button, what shall we do? Open the pop-up. Okay, and then on the pop-up, show pop-up, we can embed our calendar. So let me just quickly get that up. Okay, so what we're basically doing here is we're giving them two options to schedule a call with us. Either they fill out the lead form, and then they get our calendar where they can book a time in themselves, or they fill out the lead form, they click on schedule a call, and they drop off. For some reason they do not schedule a call with us, then we can follow up with them because we've already got their name and email address. So let me just quickly see where I can get that HTML code where we can embed it. My link, is that it? No. Integrations maybe. Nope, not that either. Oh yeah, there we go, copy link. Is there a way to create a single use link or add times to email? Copy link. There we go, add to website. Inline embed, pop-up widget or pop-up text. Let me just do inline embed. Okay, it's the first time I'm doing this, so I hope this works. It should do. So add new row, one column, add a new element. There we go, custom HTML. Click on that, open the coder. Okay, save. Your formal pop-up does not have a submit button on this page. Okay, let's just see if it still works anyway. Hey, there we go. Okay, so they fill out their name and email and then schedule a free consultation. They basically get a pop-up with a Calendly link, and then they can click on Monday and then pick a time that works best for them. Okay, then within Calendly, you can also have questions that you want them to answer. You can also do this with Clickfunnels, but I think Calendly works fine for this anyway, and Calendly's free, so might as well just use that as much as possible. So when they click on schedule a free call, let me just quickly fill it in. So they get the Calendly link, they click on a time, confirm, that's fine, and then you can fill out the company name, the website, the advertising budget, and the biggest problem that they've got in the business right now. They fill that in, and then basically we can now create a Zap with Zapier that sends me an email once they fill this in, and if we want, we can also have them or have Zapier send us an email once they filled out the Calendly link as well. So that's what we're going to do now. So that's fine. Save this. We call this dgen funnel auto or not auto trader, car dealership. Okay, that's fine. Save. Then Zapier. Creating a card with Zapier, like I said, guys, as far as I know, Zapier is free. There's a free version anyway. No, it's not entirely for free, but you can definitely get started with the free version, and as soon as you get more leads and more sales for your agency, then obviously I do highly recommend the paid version. So let me see. choose an app or event. So we're going to start with Clickfunnels. Select trigger event, new contact activity, continue. Clickfunnels account, continue. Okay, funnel step, let's see if we can get it up. Okay, so we need to know what that opt-in number is. Let me see if I can get that up. 8069357. Not sure if that is relevant at all. Let me just see. There we go. (8069357). That's the one. Continue. Okay, test and review. That's fine. Done editing. Okay, then if people fill it in, we want to get an email. So send email, continue. Gmail account, my own, continue. To just send to myself, josh.george@gmail.com. From myself, from name, let's just call it Clickfunnels lead generation. Body type plain, that's fine. Body, new lead has come in through Clickfunnels. Name and email, because there's no other fields that are filled in, so that's fine. To continue finish required fields. Okay, let's see what else is required. Subject, new lead through Clickfunnels. What else is required? I think that's it, isn't it? Continue. Okay, so it's to Joshua Daniel George, from Joshua Daniel George. Clickfunnels lead gen. This is what the email looks like. Test and continue. Okay, email was sent just now. I've already got the email on my phone. Let me see if I can get it up. So literally that the second I clicked on that button, this is basically what I see. Let me see if I can get the camera up. Hoping that is in focus, but as you can see, that's what it looks like. So that is fine. Done editing, and then we can turn the Zap on. Okay, so that Zap is on. Every single time someone fills out that form, you get an email, and then basically you can send them an email if they don't fill out the Calendly link. Okay guys, and that is how you can gather leads through Clickfunnels and get an email every single time someone fills out your lead form, and then like I said, you can follow up with them or get them to fill out your Calendly link. Like this video if you got some out of it. Comment down below what you'd like to see from my channel next. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.